Hello guys, what's up? It's Devjyoti here and welcome back to TechieDD. So guys, almost everyone like to click photos and shoot videos using their smartphone camera. And you will also find that in different types of blind smartphone camera test, people often select photos that are being clicked by any Samsung device. And in general also in Android world, Samsung camera performs better than any other smartphone camera. So what is the main reason behind this? Well, this whole thing depends on the image processing that is currently used by Samsung, and also there are many other factors related to this which I am going to discuss in this video. Here I am using Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite, which is a triple camera device having 48 megapixel main camera plus 12 megapixel ultra wide plus 5 megapixel macro camera. And by using this device I have clicked some photos which I am going to show you straight right away. So guys, the first thing which you will notice that all these images are very bright and the dynamic range is almost perfect in most of the images. Now the next major thing which you will notice is the color. Samsung always has the intensity to boost the color to a certain extent by giving it a warm look and also tweaks the saturation and the contrast level to a certain extent. Here Samsung uses auto white balance in its image signal processing, which basically detects the overall light condition where the picture is taken in a cloudy day or during sunrise or sunset by analyzing the color information from the image sensor, and then it automatically corrects the overall color of the image. And due to this image processing, the color looks more saturated, and that's why people like it so much because they are much more appealing to our eyes. The next important thing is auto exposure, which basically detects the amount of light the sensor is receiving, and then based on that it controls the aperture, the shutter speed and the ISO. The next feature is dynamic range compression, in which the ISP analyzes the dynamic range and then automatically adjusts the brightness so that the image could have perfect contrast of dark and bright areas. Now there are also some other features that are continuously running in the background, like lens and sensor compensation, gamma correction and smart wide dynamic range. And for these reasons the colors look much pop out, which people often like much more. While posting images in social media, people often like to tweak the photo as they look much more appealing to the eyes rather than the natural color. And that's the thing Samsung image processing always do. They tends to make the photo much more social media ready. But if you consider Pixel phone or the latest OnePlus partnership with the Hasselblad, there the case is little different. They always prefer to capture the natural color of any object, which you can always edit it later. Whereas in Samsung camera, you don't have to edit the image much. But if you consider the overall image quality, then Pixel is way better, because it always tries to capture the image in the same way as you are watching it with your own eyes. And for this reason, Pixel does not perform well in blind smartphone camera test, as people always like to watch more warm and punchy colors. And also one area where Samsung performs really well is the color accuracy, because in many other devices you will notice that the red color often looks like orange or kind of yellowish, whereas in Samsung you will never notice this kind of color shifting. It tries to boost the color by maintaining the original color of the object, and Samsung maintains the dynamic range much better than iPhone also. Thus, Samsung camera really performs well in day-to-day condition as well as in blind smartphone camera test, because people always love images that are punchy in color. So guys, that's all for today. Please hit the like button if you have enjoyed my video and do subscribe my channel, and I will see you again in my next video.